You've waited your whole life for this moment. The kids are grown, your responsibilities are fewer, and now it's your time to see the world. But one wrong outfit choice can turn your dream trip into a disaster. Imagine this. You're at the airport, excited. But suddenly, you're being patted down by TSA. Your knees hurt from standing in line, your feet are throbbing, and the plane hasn't even taken off yet. Sound familiar? It happens to thousands of seniors every day just because of what they wore. But don't worry, you're about to learn the 9 outfits seniors should never wear to the airport and what to wear instead. These tips aren't just about style. They're about your comfort, dignity, and safety. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and pay close attention. Because outfit number 6. It's a mistake even frequent flyers keep making, and it can ruin your whole flight. Part 1. Tight jeans or pants. We get it too, still look great in jeans. But airport travel isn't the time to prove it. Tight pants restrict blood flow, especially during long hours of sitting. Seniors are already more prone to swelling, stiffness, and even serious issues like blood clots. If your waistband digs into your stomach when you sit, that's your body begging for mercy. And what if your flight gets delayed for hours? Imagine sitting in that cramped seat with your knees bent, waist squeezed, and no room to move. Not worth it. Instead, opt for soft, stretchable trousers or loose travel pants with elastic waists. You'll move easily, breathe comfortably, and arrive feeling fresh, not achy. Remember, looking good matters. But feeling good is everything when you're over 60. Part 2. Complicated belts and accessories. That shiny belt buckle may feel stylish, but it's your enemy at security. Seniors often wear belts out of habit, decades of dressing properly. But at the airport, every extra layer or metal object is a delay waiting to happen. TSA might ask you to remove it, rescan, and wait again. And let's be honest, bending down to untie, unbuckle, or refasten isn't as easy as it used to be. You don't need the hassle. Choose elastic waists or simple pull-on pants. And as for accessories, leave the metal bracelets, big watches, and chunky necklaces at home. They beep, they get flagged. They hold you up. Keep it simple. Your time, your comfort, and your sanity are more valuable than any accessory. Part 3. Shoes without support. You're walking more than you think. From check-in to gate to security to boarding, it's often a mile or more. And yet, too many seniors wear flimsy loafers, worn-out sandals, or, heaven forbid, heels. Don't do it. Shoes without arch support can lead to swollen feet, sore heels, and even dangerous slips on tile floors. Seniors with diabetes, neuropathy, or arthritis especially need proper footwear. Wear supportive sneakers or orthopedic slip-ons, ones that are easy to remove at security, but strong enough to support you during long walks. Your comfort starts at your feet. Trust me, nothing ruins a vacation faster than aching legs before you even take off. Part 4. Heavy coats or too many layers. You want to be prepared for all climates, right? But overlayering is a trap, especially for seniors. That bulky coat may keep you warm, but it'll weigh you down at SA. You'll be asked to take it off, put it in a bin, then struggle to get it back on while balancing your bag, passport, and maybe even your medication. Worse, once on the plane, you'll realize it's hot. Planes tend to be stuffy, and suddenly you're sweating, uncomfortable, and irritated. The fix: light layering. Wear a breathable base like cotton, a soft zip-up sweater, and carry a light shawl or packable jacket. You'll stay warm without feeling smothered. Remember, layers are smart, but only when they work with you, not against you. Part 5. Clothes with too many zippers, buttons, or snaps. You might love that cute blouse or your trusty jacket with all the zippers, but those tiny details cause big problems. Every button, snap, or zip means more time in the bathroom stall trying to get undressed, more metal for TSA to scan, and more frustration overall. Seniors often have stiff fingers, limited shoulder mobility, or arthritis. Why make travel harder than it already is? Airport bathrooms are tiny, the lines are long, and comfort is key. Choose simple pullovers, loose shirts, or clothes with minimal fasteners. Trust me, if you've ever struggled to zip up in a turbulence-shaking airplane lavatory, you'll understand why simplicity is king. Part 6. Synthetic fabrics that don't breathe. That polyester blouse might look neat and wrinkle-free, but it traps heat and sweat like plastic wrap. Airports are stressful. Planes get warm, and for seniors, overheating is no joke. Sweating can lead to rashes, irritation, and even dizziness, especially if you're dehydrated. Fabrics like nylon, rayon, or spandex may look sleek, but they suffocate your skin. Choose natural, breathable fabrics like cotton, bamboo, or linen blends. They regulate body temperature, absorb moisture, and let your skin breathe. You'll feel cleaner, cooler, and calmer. And let's be honest, nothing feels better than that. Part 7. Trendy or youthful outfits that don't suit you. Fashion has no age, but comfort has no compromise. Many seniors try to keep up by wearing tight leggings, graphic tees, or revealing clothes. But the truth is, these outfits can cause embarrassment and discomfort, especially if they're not suited for your body's current needs. Sitting for hours in tight synthetic leggings, wearing crop tops that leave your back exposed to cold air vents. That's not comfort, that's punishment. You've earned the right to feel elegant, comfortable, and confident. Try soft slacks, tunics, cardigans, or relaxed fit clothes that celebrate your grace, not hide it. When you dress like yourself, you walk taller. Part 8. Long dresses, rompers, or hard-to-remove outfits. Picture this. Turbulence hits, you rush to the bathroom, and now you're fumbling with a jumpsuit or long dress in a tiny, shaking lavatory. Sounds awful, right? That's the risk with outfits that are hard to remove. Seniors often have limited flexibility, and public plane toilets don't exactly help. Choose outfits that are easy to pull up or down. Think elastic waists, wrap dresses, or two-piece sets. You'll save time, avoid accidents, and feel more independent. Travel is already stressful. Don't let your outfit become another obstacle between you and comfort. Part 9. Anything that doesn't feel like you. This might be the most important rule of all. If your outfit feels wrong, you'll carry that discomfort all day. If your shoes hurt, your pants tug, or your shirt feels tight, we'll be distracted, agitated, and tired. Seniors don't need to impress anyone. You've lived, you've learned, and now you deserve ease. Wear what feels like you. Maybe it's that comfy linen top you've worn 100 times, or those soft pants that always fit just right. Travel should feel like freedom, not friction. Dress in a way that supports your body and your spirit. When you do you, don't just travel smart, you travel proud. If you've ever felt uncomfortable, judged, or exhausted at the airport, this video was made for you. These 9 tips can make every journey easier, safer, and more enjoyable. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a senior you love. Because comfort isn't a luxury, you're right. Safe travels.